Now, Naresh, Rajeev was talking about a number of key functions and factors. Certainly, supply chain optimization is one that certainly comes to mind when talking about AI transforming key functions in manufacturing. Other areas, predictive maintenance, quality control, also come to mind. How is AI playing a real role in these key functions like quality control, optimization, predictive analytics?
Wow, that's a big question. So let's take it from the top. So I think first let's talk about predictive maintenance, right? So how does AI know when a machine's about to fail? It's not like you can pull up ChatGPT and say my ST20 lathe feels hot. What could be the problem? Well, you are going to get an answer for sure, right? But how precise will it be? How applicable is it? I think the real way to get some real value out of it is sensors, lots of them, in fact. So you take a machine and you put a temperature sensor, a pressure sensor, vibration sensors, acoustic sensors, belt speeds, visions, you name it. You put all those. Then you take all the data and put it into what we call an ontology. It's something like here is a machine, here is an entity, and then we connect that to this is the sensor reading, this is the thing. Then we are also tracking the products that are coming out of it, the quality of the products. Now, over time, you will see a pattern. You'll see that the machine's breaking, and right before the machine broke, the temperature was hot and the pressure was a certain reading. And that's what the system will do. It crunches all these numbers using machine learning and then predicts when the machine is about to fail or you're going to get bad quality. Now, I think that we've been able to do for a while. But so what is happening right now is that agentic AI systems can actually schedule the maintenance, even pinging staff if they're not available on digital channels. They can even call them and talk to them by voice. So when the tech shows up, they've got everything. They've got the sensor data, they've got past diagnosis, they've got repair manuals, everything at the fingertips, so they can get to the job quick and get everything back on track. So that's predictive maintenance, right? And then we talked about quality control. The quality control, the same sensor data that we just talked about, you can tie that to the quality of the output products. So not only are you improving machine throughput and reducing failure, you're also ensuring that the quality of what you're getting out is good and you can stop the batch. Plus, machine vision can detect problems in real time. Now you take the data, feed it back into the preventive maintenance, and then you get lesser waste, fewer do-overs, and much more consistent quality.